Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel GMP Trend Pharma. So today we will see the classification of organic compound in a easy explanation. So see, first of all, we need to understand what is meant by organic chemistry. It is a complicated, but everything starts with the understanding how the compounds are classified. Means organic compounds classified in which categories, that is important. In this video, we'll break down the classification of organic compounds in a simple way so you can understand that easily and properly. Okay. So, first of all, meaning of organic compound. Organic compound is nothing but it is a carbon and hydrogen atoms present in a structure. It is chemical compound that mainly contains the carbon and hydrogens. Also, we can say that hydrocarbons. These compounds from the basis of the life and are found everywhere, from fuels to the food to the medicine. Okay. हमें पता होना चाहिए कि ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स एग्जैक्टली क्या रहता है. सो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कौन सा भी स्ट्रक्चर हम कंसिडर करेंगे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स का, उसमें कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन एटम्स प्रेजेंट रहता है. सो सिंपल वे दैट इज मीनिंग ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. नेक्स्ट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन है. उसमें फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे क्लासिफिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन द स्ट्रक्चर. अभी स्ट्रक्चर कौन कौन से स्ट्रक्चर है उसके ऊपर कैसा डिपेंड्स है क्लासिफिकेशन, वो हम सिंपल वे चेक करेंगे. फर्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन है उसका ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर. इट्स अ ओपन चेन कार्बन. दिस इज ओपन चेन कंपाउंड्स. उसी हम बोल सकते हैं एलिफैटिक और असाइक्लिक. सो ओपन चेन मीन्स it is a open chain compound also called as aliphatic compounds have carbon atoms. See, this is the carbon atoms, carbon 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 arranged in a straight line. This one the straight line, okay, or branched chain, straight line or branched chain. So we can say that that is the acyclic, aliphatic or open chain compound. Mainly examples है ethane, propane, butane. Okay, so these are the examples of this classification of the depends on the structure, that is open chain compound. Next is the closed chain. Closed chain compounds उसे हम बोलते हैं cyclic. Okay, see this is the closed ring structures, okay, with the 6 carbon atoms. So in the closed chain compound, first subtypes of the closed chain compound is homocyclic compounds. These are further divided into two types. पहला कौन सा है alicyclic compounds and second is aromatic compounds. Alicyclic compounds is nothing but it's a ring structure. Okay, see this is the ring structure but behave like the aliphatic compounds. Example is cyclohexane. और उसमें ही दूसरा है aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds contains benzene ring and shows the stability due to the resonance. Okay, example is benzene. Okay, so these are the some two subclasses, alicyclic and the aromatic compounds in homocyclic compounds. Next is the heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound, the ring contains other than carbon. Okay, because in हर एक स्ट्रक्चर में कार्बन कार्बन प्रेजेंट है. So other than carbon means nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, etc. So first these are the examples, pyrrole or pyridine. Okay. Next है classification based on the functional groups. Organic compounds are also classified depends on the functional groups. See these are the different functional groups are present in the diagram. That is alkane, alkene, aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, alcohol, ether, amines, है ना. So these are the functional groups. On this basis, the different types of the structures, we can say that the example alcohol, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. This is the one more classification of organic compound depends on the different functional groups. Let's quick revise. अभी हमने देखा पूरा क्लासिफिकेशन. सो एक बार जस्ट रिमाइंड करेंगे हम क्लासिफिकेशन को इजी वे. So organic compounds are classified into the basically first is acyclic compounds. असाइक्लिक को ही हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, ओपन चेन और ब्रांच्ड चेन कंपाउंड्स. सेकंड हमने देखा साइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स. साइक्लिक कंपाउंड में दो टाइप्स है, होमोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स एंड हेट्रोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स. देन based on the functional groups, different functional groups are there. Okay, hydroxyl, ketone, aldehyde etc. So उस टाइप का एक क्लासिफिकेशन इसमें है. So basically there are main three types of classification of organic compounds. Okay, so better we understand. So today we learn that the organic compounds are the classified in different types of the classes, like depends on the structure, depends on the functional groups etc. And this is the only important to understand the easy way the classification. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any confusion, you can ask me the questions in a comment box. Okay, so we'll resolve that. Okay, so study well chemistry and remember the classification of organic compounds. Thank you so much.